Yo, what's going on guys? Ako nga pala si Yulitom at nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isa na namang laro. And ang laro na lalaroin natin ngayon ay pangalan ay Start Survey. Okay? Okay. Okay, yung character. Ano? Ay, start na natin guys. Wala nang patumpit-tumpit. Yes. Okay. Short horror game lang yata to guys. So, madaling video lang to. Are you having a nice day? Very much. Pwede rin. Pwede. Ah. Do you have many responsibilities? Pwede rin. Oo. Look around for the moment. For a moment. Ay, pwede zoom. Right click. Are you familiar with your surroundings? No. First time ko pa lang nandito, friends. Hey! Have you ever had a panic attack? No, why would I? Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Ayun ako. Yes. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? Pwede rin. Ba't ako nandito? Do you believe in God? Of course. Are you scared of the dark? Are you answer this question out of free will? Pwede rin. Are you certain? Maybe. 8:30? Ano oras ba ngayon? Uy! Uy! Yan yung oras ngayon na. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real, it was hard to describe? Pwede rin. Wait, yan yung oras ngayon ah. Hala. Oo, yan yung oras. No, wala akong phobias. Do you feel comfortable? No, I don't feel comfortable, guys. If the... Siyempre, mama! Ah! Have you ever wondered? Yes. Mama! Have you cleaned your desk lately? Yes. Open the phone. Basic knowledge lang yan eh. Oo, tama. Basic knowledge lang yan. Pwede lang kung saan lugar ginawa tong account na to. O syempre, paano ako nakapaglaro kung ano? Nope. Do you have enemies? No. Are you playing on a computer? Paano mo alam? Do you think often or that? No. Pamilya ko at saka pamilya ko. Pwede rin. At kung mga kaibigan ko, kung totoong kaibigan sila, si Sam, oo, mamimiss ako niyan. Are you alone? Sa bahay, hindi, pero dito sa room ko, oo. You aren't alone, did you check your room? Nope. Nope, lalayo na ako sa screen. Do you believe in we are living in a situation? Yes. Do you accept being watched? Ay, ayoko na. No. Hell no. Do you ever feel you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? Do you ever? Pwede rin. If you scream, would anybody hear? Probably. No. Do you know the person's line? Ha! Hindi ako natakot! Ha! Kala mo matatakot ako daan? No, not anymore, boy. Kala mo matatakot ako doon? Hindi ako matatakot doon. Ginanon ko pa parts, binilisan ko pa yung pagkano ko parts. Are you relaxed? Hell no, ang creepy pa rin nun. Are your feelings real and just programmed like a machine? Hell. Oh wait. Are your and not yes. Totoo yung feelings ko, guys. Did you cry today? No. Hindi pa. Hindi ako. No. Have you seen them? No. Ayan na yan. Is there a meaning to life? Yes. Become happy. Ay, 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 ay. Bakit may kumakatok sa right? Ay, bat? Mama mo. Mama mo. Mama mo. Do you know who you are yet? O, alam ko sarili ko. Ako si Yulito. And one and only Yulito. Do you know what is happening? Hell no. Basta alam ko fake lahat to. Hindi tayo matatakot, boy. Have you ever heard strange or unexpected noises in your house at night? Pwede rin. Ba't ko nilalaro to gabing-gabi na hindi na ako makakatulog? Have you lahat ng tao siguro. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hopes for a better answer? Pwede rin. Yulito? Yes? What will people think about you when they see you? What you have done? When I ask you question, is it really you answering? Yes. You're not alone while answering this question. It doesn't speak. It just observes every word, every praise. Mama mo. It grows from more curious the more you proceed. Keep going, it's almost ready to show itself. Mama mo. Ay, ba't lagi sinasabi mo? Okay, nagkaka-goosebumps na ako. If could you prove that you are not sentient? Pwede rin. Ano yung sentient? Do you want to know the truth? Hell yes! Look around. Achievement unlock! Bago yun. May nakita ako. Look. Mama, ayoko na. Ano to? I've been trying to help you see it for what it is. Now I finally done it. I can finally set you free. Di nga. Oye. Ang creepy nun. May kumakatok sa ano ko. Okay. Start server 2. 2 player. Jump scare present. Stop immediately. Grabe to guys. Grabe. Epilepsy. Grabe. Oh, there. Okay. Start survey 2. Okay. Wala tayo. Single player muna tayo. Loading assets. Headphones are recommended. High volume prepared. Naka-high volume ako at naka-headset na ako. Kinakalibutan ako guys. Grabe naman to. Mama, hey Tom, welcome to my school. Please come to my class upstairs. Follow the pattern. Ba't tayo may ano? Ba't tayo may sprint? Papara 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 para papara papara para papara Totorto. Fake na naman to guys. Hindi na naman totoo to. Kailan pa naging totoo to guys? Diba nga sinabi? Ano, it's just all fake. Please open the door and take a seat at computer to start. Dito tayo. Gusto ko na sa... hindi. Back tayo. Para boys at the back. Doll. Ay, naglalag ako. Lag. And same time pa rin. Ang creepy. Uy, PowerPoint! Let's take a server. Please open the server app from your desktop. Start survey? Absolutely. To accommodate to you with this survey, you will provide example of question and example blah blah blah. Bago ko magbasa, no? Do you like to read books? Hell no. Who actually likes reading books? Do you enjoy watching movies? Hell yes. Do you have a pet? Hell no. Wala. Dati meron. Are you having a nice day? Kanina, having nice day pa rin guys. Masaya pa rin tayo. Good. Nawala yung... You seem to... gotten the hang of it. Oh, syempre, pro gamer na ako sa pag-a-answer ng mga question. Let's discover more things about you. Okay. Sino crush ko? Ay, wala akong crush. Oh, syempre. Sino ba naman hindi? What's your name? Oh, syempre. Nickname ko yan, pero yun pa rin yung pangalan ko. Or playing on a computer. Yes, syempre. Computer pa rin tayo. I think we got it. Enough information. We can start now. Okay. Pag inas mo yung information ko about my IP address, hindi ko bibigay sa'yo. Have you ever been late to class? Hell no. Lagi ako maaga sa aking class. We have our organized student right here. Siyempre, good student tayo. Hindi ako nagre-review kahit isa. Or maybe your job. Sa tingin mo naglalay ako about doon? Hindi. Have you ever forgotten to do your homework? Hell no. Nakasulat niya lagi sa notebook ko na assignment ko. Boy, paano ako makakalimutan? It's simple. No one. We have someone to... Lala! Have you ever cheated on a test? No. Good. Tsaka kung mag-cheat naman, hindi tayo magpapahalata. Are you planning to attend university after high school? Paano mo alam na nasa high school lang? Ay, oo nga pala, over 18 years old. Ay, over 13 years old. Ah, college yung university, di ba? That's really good. Have you ever gotten lost time? No? Have you ever been embarrassed to present a presentation? Yes, absolutely. Lagi-lagi, every time na magsasalita ako sa harapan ng klase. Have you ever? Bawal mag-skip. Have you ever had detention? No? Good student tayo, boy. Have you ever gotten into a fight with someone? No? Sa ML, oo. Ay. Hi, mamay! Hi! Ano yun? Kakagulat. Ayaw na, naka-headset. Naka-headset ako, tapos... Okay, kunin ko tong flashy ko. You should check what happened. I mean, I heard a scream in the restroom. Go to the restroom. Ay, mama! Ayan, dyan ka lang sa tabi ko. Huwag ka alis. Wait lang. Yan, dyan ka lang, N. Huwag ka alis. Kung kilala niyo si N sa Murder Drones, meron akong flashy sa kanya. Ay, grabe, nawala. Ay, nahulog si N. Okay, dyan ka lang. Huwag ka magpapahulog, N. Sige. Right. Mama mo. Ah, ba't may bungo? Nope, 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 nope. Bakit may bungo sa inidoro? Ba't may bungo sa inidoro? Bakit may bungo sa mahiwagang inidoro? Bakit may bungo sa mahiwaga kong inidoro? Okay. Did you check the restroom? Of course. Did you feel like you were being watched while going to the restroom? Lagi. Have you ever heard footsteps when no one was around? Oh, syempre, lagi-lagi. Or imagination ko lang. In an empty hallway? Yes. Wait lang, kinakalibutan ako. Have you ever seen something unusual in the... No, wala kaming mirror. Ay, sa laro ba? Sa laro. Wala akong nakita. Kung sa laro. Pati rin sa totoong buhay. Do you have any phobias? Wala. Tinanong mo na sa akin yan last game ah. Ba't mo pa tinanong ulit? Something doesn't work. You are in danger. Everyone instead, you should too. Ba't pa ako nandito? Pakawalan mo ako. Are you the free? Oh, halata, diba? Yung sa computer ko, nakasabi na nga Philippines. Last time. Paano mo? Ay, hindi. AI lang yan, guys. AI. Lahat ng countries, may mga famous na places. Pag Japan, Oo. Are staying 10. Certain, no. Siyempre. Okay, may jumpscare. May jumpscare yan. Don't worry as long you keep your eyes on this. Yun. Paano mo alam? Naka-off tong camera. Oh, naka-off. Everywhere. Wala man nasa likod ko. Walang tao sa likod ko. Seem to be gone now. For now, so let's continue. Walang tao sa likod ko, boy. Do you feel safe? Yes. Pwede rin. Have you checked the still locked? Hindi ko naman nilalak yung pintuan ko. Even if you lock it, yung bintana ako nakabukas. Hi, Mama! Seems like you have to get out of this school. Please go. Follow the exit signs. This is not a safe place for anyone. Edi wow, mama mo. Edi wow, mama mo. Okay. Na-let go ko yung mouse ko. I found myself in a street. It's quiet and dark with only a few street lights. I really need to go home. My heart is racing and every time little sound makes me jump. Kanina nga, diba? I start walking quietly, feeling the chilly night air on my skin. The empty streets makes me uncomfortable. Tama ba yung binasulat dun? Ha? Our session has been paused to protect. Okay. Sana tong laro na to. Hoy, nangyari sa buhay ko, bakit ang konti? Ah, kasi ano, hindi ko agad pinindot. Nanonood sa akin. Ay, pag ano pag nahack ako guys, pag nahack ako, edi nahack ako. Titignan ko lahat ng lugar para pag binalikan ko tong video na to, may makikita akong nakatingin sa akin. I finally reached my house and opened the door. Stepping inside the house is eerily quiet except for the front light flickering in the living room. Oh, di ba ang bilis ko na magbasa? Akala nyo mahina ako magbasa. I walk and see the TV is on. I must forgotten to turn it off before I left. Nah, fake yan. Pirates may someone broke into your house. I sit down on the sofa, reach for the remote and turn. Suddenly the screen goes black and a loud purring tone fills the room. Mama? Emergency, broadcast. This is not a test. The government of the Republic issued the dimensions of the following instruction avatar for your safety. Pwede rin. But sorry, broadcasting the processes.
This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. A paranormal anomaly affecting the entire nation has been detected. For your safety, please carry out the following instructions.
Okay. At this time, lock in your that no one else. See if everybody in your room is locked. Lock all exits. Room, ensuring that nothing can get out. Lay down one of the corners of the room in silence. Do not respond to anybody outside of the room. Do not look at any parts of your body or in the mirror. Feel that you no longer control of your body. Do not panic. If your body does things, do not resist. More importantly, don't look behind you. Ay, kala ko eh. Ay! Ay! Mama! Nangyari. Thanks for playing. Achievement unlock. Question mark. Yay! But 6:53 AM. Okay. Yay! Tapos na natin, guys. Okay, guys. Hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Sana na-enjoy nyo. At nakakatakot tong laro na to. So, I give it a, 8 out of 10. Normal lang, guys. Normal. Nagka-goosebumps ako. Kala ko lang siya, simple game. Pero hindi pala. Sige, guys. Salamat sa panonood. At, sana na-enjoy nyo. At huwag mo yung kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And, peace out! Bye-bye! Kung gusto nyo pong ganun mo. Bahala na nga. Bye!